The arrival of the new millennium compelled aerospace manufacturers to deliver more fuel-economical planes in order to meet the increasing global demand. Over the past 20 years, a network of aerospace component producers has emerged, constantly looking for more efficient ways to collaborate through technology, digitalization, and supplier partnerships. Following is the story of one components producer who has succeeded with the strategic help of WIDIA.
Hi, I'm Goni Letzter, Vice President of Business Development and Marketing for Wipro Givon, and I want to tell you our story of our partnership with WIDIA. In 2016, Givon was acquired by Wipro, a leading Indian-based business group. We interact with aerospace OEMs. We shifted from aluminum to titanium and nickel structural parts for new programs. The shift to new workpiece materials led to drastic increase in machining time and tools consumption, while the market demand was increasing together with decreasing lead time and global supply chain was squeezing margins. We have to keep up with deliveries, meet strategic financial goals, improve cost effectiveness, and optimize manufacturing process. We had to consider whether to invest in new machines and production floor expansion. The challenge was to reduce the cycle time from 6 hours estimated process to finish the part to below 3 hours while keeping the print requirements tolerance. We faced two major challenges: how to machine materials increase the cycling time by more than 15 times versus aluminum components. High-temp alloys materials significantly reduced tool life. Here is the print. We have very short time to react.
For each new project, we have to ask, what is most important for this project? Tool life, maybe cycle time, accuracy, component total cost?
Based on our experience and expertise, we'll present at least two solutions, including component manufacturing cost assessment. Once you agree to the preferred solution, we'll prepare test tool and decide on the test date at your location.
WIDIA's support includes consultancy services of WIDIA machining expert teams who conduct on-location situational analysis to understand current challenges and offer continuous support for ongoing opportunities.
We like the expertise of the WIDIA team, the reactiveness, the comprehensive technical consulting, including on-site assistance. WIDIA is working on the concept, not only the tools. It's about the entire process, how we combine the machinery that we have, or maybe the machinery that we're gonna buy in the near future, with the right piece of the material, the right way to clamp it to the machine, the right kind of tooling.
Collaboration with WIDIA enables companies to create optimized performance processes to improve lead time, tool life, surface finish, and accuracy, crucial parameters for aerospace customers to sustain repeatability and to provide necessary quality assurance. When we talk about critical components, we all understand it is our commitment to safely bring passengers to their destination. WIDIA values partnership based on mutual trust and loyalty to ensure long-term competitive advantage. To collaborate and innovate hand in hand with its clients is WIDIA's mission.
Thanks to the collaboration with WIDIA, we succeeded to increase machining efficiency through advanced technology and innovation in milling strategy and tooling solutions. This style of collaboration leads to efficient execution of projects, enabling us to meet strategic and financial goals and deliver value to our customers. For many years, our dream was to machine titanium like we machine aluminum, and with WIDIA, we've fulfilled this dream.